How to add new slide on Microsoft PowerPoint app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add new slides to your PowerPoint document presentation easily and fast. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to your document or your presentation. Now let's say that you want to add more slides. Right now I have 3 slides. All what you have to do is click here on this pencil. Now go to the top corner, click on those 3 dots, and you will find new slide option. Click on it and your new slide will be added as you can see. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.